Select AC is a licensed and insured air conditioning and heating company proudly serving the Flower Mound, Grapevine, Argyle, Double Oak, and Highland Village areas. We offer fast, prompt, quality service with honesty to make sure you are happy. Our years of experience in the industry is what sets us apart from the competition. Locally owned and operated, when you call the professionals at Select AC, you can rest assured your air conditioning will be fixed properly the first time. Call today, Radio Dispatch Trucks, waiting to help.